Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips and online tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're diving into something straightforward but super important: how to delete your Tripadvisor account in 2025. Whether you're decluttering your online presence, switching to a new travel app, or just taking a break from reviews, this guide will walk you through it step by step. It's quick, it's easy, and by the end, you'll be all set. First things first. Make sure you're logged into your Tripadvisor account on a web browser. I'll stick to the desktop version for this tutorial, as it's the most reliable. Once you're in, head over to your profile icon in the top right corner and click on Account Settings. This is where all the magic happens. Look for the Privacy or Account Management section. Tripadvisor might tweak their interface slightly by 2025, but it should be similar. Next, scroll down until you find an option that says something like Deactivate or Delete Account. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to confirm your decision. Tripadvisor often requires you to enter your password again for security reasons, so go ahead and do that. Now, they might ask why you're leaving. It's optional, but providing feedback can help improve their services. Once you've selected your reason, hit the Delete Account button. Before you proceed, a quick word of caution. Deleting your account is permanent. That means all your reviews, saved trips, and personal data will be gone forever, so double-check if there's anything you want to back up first. If you're on mobile, the process is pretty much the same through the app. Just navigate to Settings from your profile. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted your Tripadvisor account. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more how-to guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Safe travels.